So good morning, Aaron. Thank you for your time today. My name is Omar Akar. I'm the Regional Vice President for Pure Storage across METCA region, which is the Middle East, East Europe, Turkey, CIS, and Africa. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. Yeah, I mean, first and foremost, I have to say that GITEX has become one of the most known international podiums to showcase next generation technologies, and we're really proud to be part of this journey. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the partner and alliance ecosystem that have participated with us on the stand, showcasing their latest technologies with Pure Storage. In Pure Storage, we believe that unity is a force multiplier, so we're really proud to have our partner ecosystem on the stand. On the stand this year, we're first and foremost showcasing our next generation enterprise data cloud, which is basically a unified platform that enables customers to better manage their data throughout their life cycle. Because Aaron, today we live in an era where, first of all, technology is disrupting nations, it's transforming economies, is used basically to power digital economies across the globe. And if you think about it, behind or the fuel of any technological leap, and actually if you want to call it the real driver behind any, or heartbeat, if you want to say it, behind any national strategy is basically data. So how do organizations manage data throughout the life cycle is becoming very important for customers to be able to adapt technology as part of their national strategy. And that's exactly what we're showcasing on our stand. So first and foremost, on the underlying infrastructure, we did some exciting announcements specifically around platforms that are purpose-built for high-performance computing and artificial intelligence, because we know very well that we live in the era of artificial intelligence, and we want to be able to supply our customers with platforms that can deliver on the requirements of artificial intelligence. So we've announced Flash-based EXA, which is an extension to our FlashBlade 4 portfolio, enabling our customers to have the right platform and data service for AI throughout the data lifecycle. So whether customers need an infrastructure to deliver on the high performance Scratch AI requirements down to a lakehouse requirement, today we have the portfolio, the capability, and the data services to deliver on that. Number two, we have announced as part of our enterprise data cloud the next generation control plane. And the purpose of what we call it the Pure Fusion control plane is to enable customers to have the real as a code experience, to manage the underlying storage as a unified platform, to be able to deliver or to define catalog of data capabilities and tiers of data to support the current enterprise and future modern application landscape, and to be able to automate the provisioning of underlying infrastructure so that you can increase the time to market and improve agility, but most importantly, to simplify operation and to make sure that customers don't have to deal with individual platforms and silos of data, but rather can manage all their platforms as a single unified platform. Yeah, so first and foremost, when it comes to the flash technology, you know that we've invented the concept of direct flash, and we've built our architecture around flash. This has enabled us to, first of all, build a much simpler architecture that is much easier to manage and maintain, and an architecture that is extremely efficient, Aaron. I mean, if you look at the Pure technology, first and foremost today, the density of the platforms is much more superior than any other technology in the industry. By the end of the year, we're going to store 300 terabytes on a single unified direct flash module. Next year, we might announce a 1 petabyte direct flash module, right? And that's why, as per analysts, we can reduce significantly the power consumption and data center footprint, which is today a critical success factor when it comes to artificial intelligence, because AI is not only gonna process data, but is a major accelerator when it comes to data creation. So, and that's why today we've seen nations and countries like UAE are building gigawatt of AI power in the near future. And the data center, the power consumption sustainability is a critical success factor. Two, our flash technology delivers the ability of eliminating technology obsolescence, which contributes to the sustainability agenda, but most importantly, enable customers to eliminate complex and risky data migrations in the future and enable them not to have to buy the same capacity again and again. That's from a flash technology perspective. Excellent. So first and foremost, there's a huge AI opportunity in the region. You've seen the Stargate announcement, the government AI strategy that was announced, lots of initiatives around AI happening in the Gulf region, and it is by far the biggest opportunity. We strongly believe that the AI opportunity revolves around AI factories, and we've started to see major investments happening across the enterprise market sector. When you talk about banking or you talk about telecommunication and so forth. So as Pure Storage, our approach to AI is very comprehensive. So first and foremost, we work hand in hand with our customers to help them define their AI strategy and identify the proper use cases that can contribute to their business. Because the journey starts with how do we actually monetize AI and how do we benefit from the AI technology? Two, we have worked with a large ecosystem. As I said before, I mean, collaboration is what drives everything nowadays in the world of AI. That's why we're collaborating with, for example, Open Innovation AI to help customers have the right tools and capabilities to accelerate the deployment of AI applications. Everything from being able to deliver the container data services, to the container orchestration, to the AI cluster manager, to the ML ops and LLM ops capabilities, inferencing, fine-tuning, Gen AI studios, all the capabilities that you need today to be able to basically improve your time to market in terms of being able to acquire and deploy AI applications. But also, we have announced a next generation platforms that are SLA-driven. So SLA-driven infrastructure and cloud operating model is a critical success factor when it comes to AI because it helps you work around the uncertainty of AI. It's not easy today to size for AI, for the future of AI, how AI applications will behave. So we've announced an SLA-driven storage or storage as a service that enables customers to subscribe for outcomes when it comes to AI, to subscribe for certain SLAs around performance, around availability, around sustainability, around data and cyber protection, right? And around supporting them to increase the GPU uptime so that they can accelerate the AI monetization. Channel is an integral part of what we do in Pure. And as I mentioned before, we genuinely believe in Pure that unity is a force multiplier, and we cannot do it on our own. Our collaboration, for example, with Open Innovation, gave us the ability to basically relate to important elements within the AI lifecycle that are beyond infrastructure. What we're doing today with the likes of Supermicro, Cisco, Intel, and even Eviden is also helping us build integrated stacks that delivers on the compute and the underlying infrastructure and storage capabilities. So the ecosystem plays a major role in helping customers have an end-to-end solution. And we believe that we cannot do it on our own. We're a data-centric organization, and we collaborate with the likes of Open Innovation or the likes of Commvault for data protection or the likes of Evident for next-generation high-performance computing to be able to deliver to our customers unified solutions that can accelerate the time to market when it comes to artificial intelligence.